and welcome to Diamond Education Hub's Teaching Tips, sharing teaching ideas, resources and advice with teaching professionals, helping them to improve their practice. During our online drop-in sessions, we received several questions on how to manage parents. As new teachers or trainee teachers, you won't have as much exposure to parents. It's just something that you learn during your teaching practice and during your first year of teaching. However, I've put together a list of ways that you can engage parents, which will support you in building relationships with them. If you want to see more, keep watching. During our online drop-in sessions, we received several questions on how to deal with difficult parents. Everyone's situation was very different, and in most cases, parental involvement needed tweaking or developing. Luckily, all the questions and concerns were at the early stages, so these tips could be implemented smoothly. Be calm. Shouting won't get you anywhere. Teachers must find a way to be able to reach difficult parents in order to help the student. Build trust. Try to deliver good news to parents where possible. No one wants to hear constant negative comments on a daily basis. Sending home notes of when you catch students doing the right thing builds trust with parents. Make eye contact. To present confidence and authority in a situation, make sure you make eye contact with the parents. Generally, upset parents normally talk at an elevated level and in an accusatory nature. It is quite common for the person at the receiving end to feel quite nervous. With a lower voice, it forces the parent to listen to what is being said. It will also highlight how loud the parent is speaking. Show empathy. The words, "I'm sorry that happened," are highly effective. It shows that you have listened to what has been said and that you are concerned about everyone's well-being. Also be building a rapport with the parents. You could create a blog to share information with your parents. If emails work well to communicate, collect the emails from your parents. You can then share any news, photos, newsletters with the parents. If you are going to be sending photos or using pupils' names, make sure you have full consent from the parents. Ask the parents in for a coffee morning where they can get to know you and ask you questions. Welcome your parents in at the beginning, the end and the middle of the year. Have planned activities for the parent and children that help you learn about the family. At the end of the year, you can pass that information on to their new teacher. Collect and share photos of the children in action. By having a class photo album, the parents will feel more involved in what happens within the classroom. Make sure you thank parents when they attend events or volunteer. A small thank you note goes a long way. Plan family projects that are simple and fun and inclusive. Keep in mind work schedules so that they're not overwhelming for the family. Set aside some time that parents can come in and read to students. Pick a student of the week to be the special student. During that week, make sure their name appears on the notice board and in the newsletter, and you can invite the parents in for morning coffee or lunch. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.